are run. Now I'd like to show you the game that's associated with this lesson. This is a spreadsheet that shows the Electoral College votes for each state updated after the 2020 census. And this would be the spreadsheet that would be used by one team, the yellow team, and essentially what they're doing is they're being given $1,020. That's their campaign war chest, and they decide where they want to spend the money in order to win the election. So you might think maybe they will also to look at California's 55 electoral votes and decide that they want to spend $40 in that state because they want to spend more money than the other team and win that state. You'll notice this is all set for $20 for each state and the District of Columbia. That's how we get to 1,020. And you'll notice once we spend more money in a state, then there's going to be money we have to not spend in another state. This keeps track of the total, so we could say this team can get that money back, can equal out their number. They want that total remaining to be down at 0, so that way they can figure out how to spread their money across all the states and try to win the election. This is the spreadsheet that would be used by the yellow team, and this is the spreadsheet that would be used by the green team. Essentially what you want to do is give them an amount of time where they can strategize to figure out just where they're going to spend their money. What you want to do is have those teams share their spreadsheets with you and use this score sheet. This is an easy way to figure out who the winner is. Just highlight the numbers there for each state. For the yellow team, I'm getting Alabama through Kansas. I highlighted the column and I used Control-C to copy. Now I'm going to go to the score sheet and just hit Control-V to paste them. And that will take the amount of money from all of the states from Alabama through Kansas for the yellow team and paste them right in. So then all I have to do is do that for the other states. And there's North Dakota through Wyoming. I hit Control-C, then I'm hitting Control-V, and that's all of the yellow team's amounts. Then I go to the green spreadsheet and I'm doing the same thing. I'm highlighting a column and putting the amount of money they spent in those states in the score sheet. And the score sheet is going to automatically calculate the winner for us. So there we are with the last set of states for green, and I'll paste that in there. Now you can see that with each state, if both teams spent the same amount of money, neither side gets the electoral votes. If one team spent more money, like here, Alaska, the green team spent $20, the yellow team only spent $10, that means the 3 electoral votes for Alaska go to the green team. It's highlighted there and it's calculated in the total there. You'll see that the amount of money spent was $1,020. When you add up all of the states, you can see that the green team won with 187. If you look a little closer, you can see some interesting things going on here which teach you something about the Electoral College. Take a look at the amount of money that the green team spent in California. Nothing. Which means the 54 electoral votes went to the yellow team. But what the green team did was spent $21 in South Dakota, $21 in Utah, $21 in Vermont, $21 in West Virginia, $21 in Wyoming. Adding up those electoral votes that way, even though the green team lost California, they won the election. That teaches you something about how the Electoral College works and how the election can be strategized. So with students, you might want to make sure to tell them this is just a game. We're not ending up with 270 here, but you do get to see the dynamic that takes place with the Electoral College.